Hey guys, this Subaru dealership used to send 96 yards of trash to the landfill every week. With our help, they're now down to just 8 yards a week. They're recycling and composting over 90% of their waste, which makes this quite possibly America's only zero-waste-to-landfill Subaru dealership and repair shop. Watch this video and we'll show you just how they're doing it. First, we did an audit of all the waste they're producing and figuring out where it could go for recycling or composting. This also included steps like sourcing a new compostable coffee cup and figuring out a vendor that would recycle their wood pallets. Second, we put together custom signage that highlighted the top items employees and customers were tossing. Then we reassigned existing bins they had throughout the site. Third, we put together a training video that all employees were required to watch to get them prepped and ready for the new waste system coming their way. And fourth, they assigned an employee the responsibility of overseeing that all employees were participating. And fifth, they do regular trash audits and sorts to make sure that things are organized correctly. Initially, to get everyone on board, all the managers participated in the waste sort to give them an extra incentive to make sure all the individual teams were ready. This training process took about 2 weeks, but they're now reaping the rewards of sustainability. Because of this accomplishment, we're giving them our Zero Waste to Landfill Award at this year's Hillside Awards ceremony. If you have a business that wants to go green, send us a message to get started.